Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and German. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos.
Kutt Payasu. Kutt Payasu is one of the easiest of payasus popular with the Kochi GSPs. This is a dry variety of payasu and almost always made with already cooked rice. This is especially made for Nagar Panchami along with Suppurgari. See the recipe link for Suppurgari in the description below. For this, we need 1 cup of cooked rice, half cup of jaggery powder, quarter cup of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cardamom, and a pinch of salt. You can use any variety of cooked rice. Add a little water and salt to cook the rice until mushy. Since this is very often made for Shraddh Jevans, a part of the cooked rice made for the Jevan is used. This makes it easy for the person who has to cook so many other items too. Now add the jaggery. Mix well and cook further. When it has become almost dry, add the grated coconut. And then the ghee. This can be made with leftover rice too as a quick and healthy snack for all. Your tasty Kutt Payasu is ready. Offer with Suppurgari for Nagar Panchami Prasad.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.